Good afternoon. Please sit down.
Russian President Vladimir Putin has agreed in principle to the involvement of the United Nations and the International Committee of the Red Cross in the evacuation of civilians from the Azovstal plant in Mariupol of Ukraine. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres reiterated the position of the United Nations on Ukraine, and they discussed the proposals for humanitarian assistance and evacuation of civilians in relation to the situation in Mariupol. Before his talks with Putin, Guterres held a working meeting with Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov. At a press encounter after his meeting with Lavrov, Guterres said he had proposed the establishment of a humanitarian contact group, bringing together Russia, Ukraine, and the United Nations to look for opportunities for the opening of safe corridors with local cessations of hostilities and to guarantee that they are actually effective.